Hello friend, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to save for web in Photoshop. First open the Photoshop and open the image, then go to the File menu and click on the Export to save for web. Also, you can keep original and change optimized. Also change format. GIF, PIG, Web. I choose PNG 24. And click on the Save. Then choose the location. Also rename title. Then click on the Save. Now we do save for web in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.